Hi everyone, Tom here, Head of Pre-Sales for Uniguest, introducing our Campus Hub solution. Campus Hub is a unified video platform dedicated to education, and it incorporates media library and enterprise video on demand, lecture capture, digital signage and photo management into one simple to use platform. The intention of the product is it can unify all of your media requirements into one solution, saving you both time, resource and money. We're really excited to launch the new AI toolset within Campus Hub this year that allows users to tailor resources really quickly. That includes video summarization, automatic chapter generation, and also AI quiz creation. The AI quiz creation allows for multiple choice questions to be added directly over the top of content with the simple click of one button and no need to type or add any question information. The system is deployed in lots of schools, universities and colleges globally, and we look forward to meeting you at the Uniguest stand at ISE to talk to you in more detail about the product.